When people talk about cars that last forever, one country always comes up: Japan, Toyota, Honda, Lexus. These brands have built a reputation for running hundreds of thousands of miles without major issues. But here's the truth, it's not just the cars, it's the way they're treated. Japanese drivers follow certain habits, small, consistent practices, that most people in the West completely ignore. And that's why their cars often outlast ours by decades. Today I'm revealing 17 Japanese secrets to make your car last 1 million miles. But before we dive in, a quick personal request: running gear specs takes hours of research, scripting and editing, all while I'm balancing college. Every subscription makes a huge difference. If you want more insider tips that protect your wallet and your car, please hit that subscribe button now. Alright, let's unlock the million-mile secrets. In Japan, drivers have this neat habit of letting the oil circulate before they hit those high RPMs. No revving, no rushing, and you know what? This simple practice really protects the engine from early wear. Instead of pushing for 10,000 miles, many Japanese drivers opt to change their oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Clean oil equals a healthy engine, and that's something they truly believe in. They don't really buy into the whole lifetime fluid concept. At every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, they make sure to flush those fluids, keeping gearboxes running smoothly for decades. Radiators and coolant are checked religiously. Overheating is one of the top killers of engines. The Japanese don't take chances. Rotations, balancing, and correct pressure aren't optional. Perfect tires protect suspension, steering, and fuel economy. Worn shocks are replaced early, not ignored. This prevents damage to steering racks and tires. Slow, smooth driving is honestly a key habit. Rapid starts and harsh braking are rare. Smooth driving reduces stress on every system in the car. Preventive timing belt replacement is another important practice. Instead of waiting for a failure, Japanese mechanics replace timing belts early. This one habit alone saves countless engines. Regular battery testing is something, well, you'll see often in Japan. Instead of waiting for a dead battery, Japanese shops test and swap them before failure, preventing roadside breakdowns. Catalytic converters and oxygen sensors are inspected often. Early detection honestly saves thousands on emission repairs. Japanese drivers stick to top-tier gasoline, avoiding cheap fuel that clogs injectors. Cleaner fuel, means a longer life. Pads, rotors, and even fluid are maintained on schedule, preventing small issues from, snowballing into dangerous failures. In Japan, cars are washed underneath, not just on the outside. Salt, dirt, and grime are all removed to prevent rust, and honestly, this level of care makes a big difference in the long run. Clean air filters are key to preventing engine strain. It's a simple step, but it really adds years of performance to your car. Turbocharged cars in particular are always given a few moments to warm up before driving and to cool down before shutting off. This habit helps keep the engine healthy and running smoothly for years. So, Japanese drivers, they never just put tape over the check engine light. Small fixes are always handled right away, before they have a chance to turn into something major. More than anything, it's the discipline. In Japan, maintaining a car isn't a chore, it's a responsibility. That mindset is the true secret to million-mile cars. Take the famous Lexus LS 400 taxis in Japan. Many of them crossed 1 million miles without major engine work. Why? Because the drivers followed these exact habits religiously. Clean oil, smooth driving, strict maintenance. What seems obsessive here is just normal practice in Japan. So if you want your car to hit 500,000, even 1 million miles, it's not about buying the most expensive car. It's about adopting these Japanese secrets: consistency, discipline, and care. And if you learned something new today, please subscribe to Gear Specs. Every subscription doesn't just support this channel. It helps me continue paying my college fees while bringing you car advice that can literally save you thousands of dollars. And before you go, check out our next video: 11 simple tricks that double your car's lifespan. Pair that with today's secrets and you'll have a car that